Welcome to the Yucatán Peninsula in southeastern Mexico, a land where ancient Mayan cities rise from the jungle, and hidden beneath the surface lies a secret world of crystal-clear waters. This region of Mexico is a tapestry woven from vibrant culture, rich history, and breathtaking natural wonders. Join us as we venture into the heart of the Yucatán to explore a land where ancient traditions meet thriving ecosystems and uncover the secrets of this captivating region.
Here in the Yucatán Peninsula, the earth breathes, and from its depths flow sacred waters. Hidden beneath a limestone curtain lie the cenotes, natural sinkholes formed over millennia. These shimmering emerald pools, once revered by the ancient Mayans, are a portal to a hidden world. Sunlight pierces the surface, illuminating the intricate network of stalactites and stalagmites sculpted by the patient hand of time. Descend into the cool, clear water, and you enter a realm of tranquility. Tiny fish dart through submerged caverns, and the roots of ancient trees reach down like seeking fingers, a testament to the interconnectedness of this extraordinary ecosystem.
On the Yucatan's northern coast, a symphony of pink unfolds. This is Rio Lagatos, a biosphere reserve where life finds a delicate balance between land and sea. Thousands of flamingos gather here, their vibrant plumage a stark contrast to the azure sky. They wade through the shallow lagoons, their elegant necks filtering the nutrient-rich waters for food. But they are not alone. Crocodiles bask in the sun, their prehistoric forms a reminder of the region's ancient origins. Overhead, flocks of migratory birds fill the air, their calls echoing across the wetlands. Rio Lagatos is a sanctuary, a testament to the power of conservation, and a haven for some of the planet's most magnificent creatures. Along the western coast of the Yucatán, where the land meets the Gulf of Mexico, lies another haven for avian life, the Celestún Biosphere Reserve. Here, against a backdrop of mangroves and dunes, the sky transforms into a breathtaking spectacle of pink. Celestún is home to the largest gathering of flamingos in North America, their numbers swelling into the thousands, particularly during the winter months. Witnessing a flock taking flight is a truly unforgettable experience. The air vibrates with the sound of their wings, as a wave of pink washes across the horizon. But Celestún is more than just flamingos. The reserve boasts a rich tapestry of ecosystems, from coastal mangroves to vibrant coral reefs, each teeming with life.
Deep in the heart of the Yucatán Peninsula lies a vast and pristine wilderness, the Cenotes Biosphere Reserve. This expansive area, covering over 5,200 square kilometers, is a sanctuary for countless species of flora and fauna. It is a place where the natural world thrives, largely untouched by human hands, offering a glimpse into the Earth's ancient past. Designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Cenotes, meaning origin of the sky in Mayan, is a place where time seems to stand still. The reserve is a mosaic of tropical forests, mangroves, marshes, and a barrier reef, each ecosystem teeming with life. Ancient Mayan ruins are scattered throughout, whispering tales of a civilization that once flourished here. Imagine gliding through ancient canals, their surfaces mirroring the lush canopy above. These waterways, carved by the Mayans centuries ago, are now a haven for kayakers and nature enthusiasts. As you paddle, the tranquility of the surroundings envelops you, broken only by the occasional splash of a fish or the call of a distant bird. The air is alive with the sounds of the jungle, a symphony of bird calls and rustling leaves. Each sound tells a story, from the chatter of monkeys high in the treetops to the rustle of a lizard scurrying through the underbrush. The jungle is a living, breathing entity, its rhythms and melodies a testament to the diversity of life it harbors. This is the domain of the jaguar, the elusive phantom of the Americas, its presence felt in the hushed whispers of the forest. The jaguar, a symbol of power and mystery, moves silently through the dense foliage, its golden eyes ever watchful. To catch a glimpse of this magnificent creature is to witness the raw, untamed spirit of the jungle. Manatees, gentle giants of the water, graze peacefully in the lagoons. These serene creatures, often called sea cows, move gracefully through the water, their slow, deliberate movements a stark contrast to the bustling life above the surface. Watching a manatee is a reminder of the gentle, unhurried pace of nature, while ocelots, with their mesmerizing gaze, patrol the undergrowth. These small, spotted cats are masters of stealth, their keen eyes and sharp senses making them formidable hunters. The ocelot's presence adds an element of intrigue and wonder to the jungle, a reminder of the many secrets it holds. Cenotes is a testament to the wild beauty of the Yucatán, a place where nature reigns supreme. It is a sanctuary for the soul, a place where one can reconnect with the primal forces of the earth. Here, amidst the emerald heart of the jungle, the spirit of the wild is alive and well, a beacon of hope for the preservation of our natural world.
The Yucatan Peninsula is a land painted in vibrant hues, a testament to the incredible diversity of life that flourishes here. This region, rich in both history and natural beauty, offers a unique glimpse into the wonders of the natural world. From the dense jungles teeming with wildlife to the serene coastal areas, the Yucatan is a paradise for nature enthusiasts. The air is thick with the sweet scent of orchids, their delicate blooms clinging to the branches of towering trees. These orchids, with their vibrant colors and intricate patterns, are just one example of the botanical wonders that can be found here. Palms reach for the sky, their fronds swaying gently in the tropical breeze. The towering palm trees, with their majestic presence, create a canopy that shelters countless species of plants and animals. But look closer, and you'll discover a world teeming with creatures great and small. The jaguar, the apex predator of these lands, moves with silent grace, its coat a tapestry of rosettes blending seamlessly with the dappled sunlight. This magnificent creature is a symbol of the wild and untamed spirit of the Yucatan. The Yucatan wren, its song a cascade of trills, flits through the undergrowth, adding a melodic soundtrack to the jungle's symphony. This small bird, with its distinctive calls, plays a crucial role in the ecosystem. High above, the keel-billed toucan, with its vibrant beak, feasts on the fruits of the forest. This bird, with its striking appearance, is a favorite among birdwatchers and nature photographers. The Yucatan is also home to a myriad of insects and small animals, each playing their part in the delicate balance of the ecosystem. From the industrious ants to the colorful butterflies, every creature has a role to play. This is a land where life finds a way, a delicate balance of predator and prey, all interconnected in the intricate web of the ecosystem. The Yucatan Peninsula is not just a place, it's a living, breathing testament to the wonders of nature. The flora and fauna of the Yucatan are a reminder of the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Each species, no matter how big or small, contributes to the rich tapestry of life that makes this region so special. As we explore the Yucatan, we are reminded of the importance of preserving these natural habitats. The balance of nature here is delicate, and it is our responsibility to protect it for future generations. The Yucatan Peninsula is a treasure trove of biodiversity, a place where the wonders of the natural world are on full display. From the majestic jaguar to the delicate orchids, every element of this ecosystem is a marvel to behold. This is a land where life thrives, a testament to the resilience and beauty of nature. The Yucatan Peninsula is a reminder of the incredible diversity of life on our planet and the importance of preserving it for future generations. The intricate web of life here is a delicate balance of predator and prey, each species playing a crucial role in maintaining the health of the ecosystem. The Yucatan Peninsula is a living example of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. As we continue to explore and learn about the flora and fauna of the Yucatan, we are reminded of the beauty and complexity of the natural world. This region is a testament to the wonders of nature and the importance of preserving it for future generations.
The Yucatan Peninsula is a land where the past whispers through the jungle. Here, ancient Mayan cities, once bustling centers of civilization, now lie shrouded in emerald green. Step back in time at Chichen Itza, where the iconic pyramid of Kukulkan rises above the jungle canopy, a testament to the ingenuity and astronomical prowess of the Maya. Explore the labyrinthine passages of Uxmal, its intricately carved facades a window into a lost world. At Ekbalam, climb the towering Acropolis, its steps leading you to panoramic views of the surrounding jungle. These ancient cities, reclaimed by nature, offer a glimpse into a time when humans lived in harmony with their surroundings, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of the natural world.
While the Yucatan is renowned for its ancient wonders and lush jungles, it also harbors a secret miles of pristine coastline, where the turquoise waters of the Gulf of Mexico lap gently against soft, sandy shores. This hidden gem is a paradise for those seeking a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The coastline stretches endlessly, offering a tranquil retreat that feels worlds away from the crowded tourist spots. Here, nature's beauty is on full display, with the vibrant colors of the sea contrasting against the golden sands. The gentle waves create a soothing soundtrack, perfect for unwinding and letting go of stress. Imagine yourself lying on the beach, the sun warming your skin, and the sound of the waves lulling you into a state of pure relaxation. It's a place where time seems to stand still, and the worries of the world fade away. Escape the crowds and discover the tranquil beauty of towns like Progreso. This charming coastal town offers a peaceful retreat with its quiet beaches and friendly locals. It's a place where you can truly unwind and immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the Yucatan. Here you can stroll along the Malecón, the seaside promenade, as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple. The sunsets here are truly breathtaking, offering a perfect end to a day spent exploring the coast. As the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, you'll find yourself captivated by the sheer beauty of the moment. It's a sight that will stay with you long after you've left the shores of the Yucatan. Feel the soft sand between your toes as you wander along the beach, the gentle sea breeze carrying the scent of salt air. Each step you take brings a sense of peace and connection to the natural world around you. The gentle sea breeze is a constant companion, refreshing and invigorating as it whispers through the palm trees and dances across the water. It's a reminder of the simple pleasures that life by the sea can offer. Whether you seek adventure or relaxation, the Yucatan's coastline offers a sanctuary, a place to reconnect with nature and discover the simple pleasures of life by the sea. From kayaking in the clear waters to sunbathing on the warm sands, there's something for everyone to enjoy. The serene coastline is a haven for those looking to escape the noise and chaos of modern life. It's a place where you can find peace and tranquility, surrounded by the natural beauty of the Yucatan. So come, take a journey to the Yucatan's coast, and let the beauty of this hidden paradise rejuvenate your spirit. Discover the simple pleasures of life by the sea, and create memories that will last a lifetime.
So have you had the pleasure of experiencing the magic of the Yucatan Peninsula? From the depths of its sacred cenotes to the vibrant pink hues of its flamingo-filled lagoons, this region offers a sensory feast for any traveler. It's a place where ancient history and natural wonders intertwine, leaving you breathless with wonder. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Yucatan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible adventures around the globe. Until next time, keep exploring.